Hey, doorknob. Hey, you all by yourself, man. You coming in here with 30 dBs. That's some good sounding audio, no doubt about it. I just turned on the camera, man. I figure I'd catch a little bit of this video gate and see what you sound like coming out of Tennessee. Old half a truck in this no watt station, bottom side of the Gray Shakies. And I'm getting on down.
I appreciate them flowers, believe me. Right choice yourself. Keep selling them flowers for yourself. Because you're sure sounding good down here in Tennessee. On this little old hill of mine. Tell me, please, I'm there again. I'm going to get out of the way. Ain't no bunch of them out there. You have a good evening out there in that cabin. Oh, doorknob down here outside Music City said that. I'm gone.
Bye, doorknob. Bye, doorknob. Yeah, I'll be posting this on YouTube in a little bit. Alright, doorknob, till Mother Nature lets me do this one more time. You'll half a truck on the bottom side of the Great Shakies. 4-in-1 wave, 73s around the household. Me and this no watt station, bottom side of the Great Shakies, getting on down.
Southern California. Audio Junkie.
Hello, 48. Good evening time, 48. Audio Junkie was on the mall, man. And I did hear you in there. Mother Nature's kind of bouncing around. Hello, 48 and Audio Junkie. Old half a truck, bottom side of the Great Shakies of Cali. We're getting on down. Hey, 048. No, that's half a truck, man. It was half a truck, but I heard you under Audio Junkie there. Hey, 048. I heard you underneath Audio Junkie. Mother Nature was doing some switching around and stuff. Got it all here on the video gate. Anyway, 048. Your half a truck cruise on the Gold Coast to shaky ground. Let's roll, Brigga. Bye, 048. Bye, 048. Got it all because you said it all, big brother. 73s around the household. Sounded good coming out of the mag, man. Old half a truck, bottom side of the Gray Shakies. The video gate is rolling and I got down.
Half a truck, Great Shakies. I bet you have half a truck in there. Half a truck of gold from the Gold Coast. Half a truck, Cali. Tennessee.
Man, it was real rough that time. 048, it was rough that time, man. I believe that was Audio Junkie coming out of Tennessee again. And he had a great big old hammer in my radio. Anyway, 048, take it easy, take care. Hello, Mr. Audio Junkie. Old half a truck cruise on the Gold Coast of Cali. And I do have a half a truck, man. It's a cab and some tubes. It's some cab and some tubes. Some 1.5 DOM. Built strong, a lot of triangulation. Built for rock crawling and running into stuff. Good afternoon time, Audio Junkie. You'll have a truck right back, Brigga.
technology. Audio Junkie, Tennessee, half a truck. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, Audio Junkie. Hey, why you part of that Tram Nation? Yeah, I got one of them configures sitting on my shelf right now. Or actually, it's on its way back here from Turbo Electronics. It's going to be on its way back here from Turbo Electronics. I had the 60 channel mod kit put in it. I need to adjust my carrier and get it all restored. Anyway, Audio Junkie, why that good sounding Tram. Yo, half a truck with a video gate rolling on the Gold Coast of Shaky, getting on down.
Can't wait to hear it. Can't wait to hear it. Have a truck. Get that Tram back. I'm anxious. Sound good now. I want to hear what that Tram sounds like. Audio Junkie, Tennessee. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, Audio Junkie. Yeah, you like me, man. I can't wait. I can't wait. So till then, I'm just running this Cherry Papa 29, man. And I'm only cruising about 3 on the bird meter. So, hey, yo, Audio Junkie, till we get to do it one more time. Yo, half a truck going 10-7. I got a little 44s coming in. They want to put on a movie, so I'm going to go put on a movie for them little cats. Alright, Mr. Audio Junkie. 73s around the household. Yo, half a truck with a 4-1, and I'm 10-7 and going. Bye, 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 bye.
Hey, you can't go 10-7 till you speak the 12 gauge right here in the Magnolia, man. What's wrong with you?
Alright, man, you got me back to my radio. I heard you around the mag calling me to come back. Good afternoon time around the mag. I gotta go 10-7 to get the little 44s a movie to watch. Good evening time around the mag, yo, half a truck. And I'm stopping this video gate right about now. Oh, half a truck, Gold Coast to Kelly going 10-7 high and by, I'm gone. Buy a 12 gauge. Hey, buy a 12 gauge. Yeah, I'll be back out here in about 10 minutes, man. Hello, 12 gauge. Hello and goodbye. As I shut this video gate down, I'm 10-7. I ain't keying no more. Bye, 12 gauge. I'm gone.